In March 2018, Gino's Panel and Paint hosted a live demonstration for the WA panel beating industry of new painting and curing applications from Sikkens and Tesla Cure. AkzoNobel then stepped in to show how these new products can reduce wait times and increase efficiency with a live walkthrough of the process. The audience had the chance to rub, sand and feel the cured guards as they went through each step of the process, discussing and comparing techniques as they went. Aaron Scagliotta, director of Gino's Panel and Paint, spoke about his experience and the positive impact Sikkens and AkzoNobel innovative products and technology have had on his own operations. The Lucky Door Prize was a Sikkens Autosurfacer UV and a TeslaCure Lamp, globally recognised as the fastest combination of product and UV curing. Gino's Panel and Paint are proud to be leading the way as the first WA auto body shop to embrace this technology and share their experience with the industry.